Hi, welcome back to the channel. This is CMG Aura Space Trading Channel, and this will be day 4, right? Day 4 of our trading bootcamp with 5ers. Now we have done assignment 1, which is technical analysis assignment, and then assignment 2 was risk management. I think assignment 3 rather wasn't really an assignment. It was just a live session that we needed to join and then vote and join some particular group online. So we realized that I didn't present any video on it because it was a live thing. And then besides that day I was trading forex and then futures. I was, in fact, that the full day I was very busy behind the screen, the charts trading. So there was nothing that I could actually do video on that. So that was it. So if you can check the screen now, the ones that we need to submit for assignments are our technical analysis assignment, the risk management, which we have done that, and then the third one was the online. Now the fifth one rather, I think I'm confused now. The fifth one is on what pre-trade checklist assignments, right? So we have done the first one, the second one, and then the third one. So sorry if there's a confusion in the title of the video, but basically I'm just following the days, and this will be day 4. You understand? So day 4 we are supposed to submit this checklist. Now the module actually is on what is it? It was on trading strategy, building your trading strategy. Yes, building your trading strategy, your trading style, and then some criteria for entering a trade or taking position. So on this channel, I have actually done this class. If you check the advanced playlist, the intermediate, and then the beginners, you see that everything is structured there. You can actually go straight into the advanced playlist for forex trading, and all these things are done there. I've actually taken care of them already. So if for more insight, after watching the videos here, you can top up there from that playlist, and that will be it. They are very insightful. So here, let's see how best we can do this. Now I'm going to give you a template. Even if you watch Jonathan's template or his style, you can watch this video. That's the video. It's very brief and then concise. And then mine also, I'm going to, in fact, I wanted to type here, but looking at the screen looks very small. I'm doing this from the phone, so it looks small. So just listen carefully to this. Or maybe, I'm saying maybe I'll put all the information, I'll write them out, the write-up, in the Telegram channel. So if you want mine too, you can actually watch mine. Check the Telegram list and the playlist. Sorry, the Telegram channel. I'm going to put the link in this video description. Click the join and then find all the information there. You can actually do some tweaking or some editing, and then you'll be good to go. Mine is also very nice because I've treated that and I have to have that. So information that I have is from the lessons that I've taught, the tutorials that I've taught, and I have to have my own information. So that is it. So now here we have to submit the name and then email address, right? And then from there we do the pre-trade checklist. So I'm going to just read them out. I don't know if I have to read them out here and then manage the time, because I'm going to put them in the Telegram channel. So here is my checklist. It should be about 7 of them. So the 7 of them, the first one is have I checked the economic calendar today? Right? Have I checked the economic calendar today before going into a trade? That's one. And then the second one is am I in the right frame of mind, right, to trade today? There are times you are not just in the mood. You are just not in the mood, right? You are just not in the mood to trade or to just open your screen or switch on your PC. So are you in the right sense of mind, the right frame of mind to trade today? Now the third one is how long do I intend to trade or stay in the trade for today? There are times you'll be busy later in the day. So why do you intend? I'm a swing trader. So why do I enter a trade that will take the whole day, or maybe you see, I'll be busy the rest of the day. So if I want to trade, how long do I intend to stay in the trade? And then the fourth one is what? Based on today's economic calendar, right? Today's economic calendar, which of the accounts, and when I say which of the accounts do I want to trade, it means that I have personal account, that's a real account, and then sometimes I have pro firm accounts, right? So the pro firm accounts has evaluations. If you don't know what is a pro firm, the link will be in this description, the video description. What are pro firms? They are very, very good. So do I want to trade my own account or the pro firm's account? Because it is one aspect of me managing my risk, because I wouldn't put my own account on at risk when I know, you understand. So that is it. Now did I do a top-down analysis? This one has no particular order. I think when I'm writing them up in the Telegram, I will structure them so that they will tailor down, in that tailor form. So did I do a top-down analysis before entering a position or a trade? If I say top-down analysis, you should understand, as a trader, this is the simplest and most important aspect, practice that you actually have to routine that you actually do. You have to do when doing analysis. So that is the fifth one. Now the sixth one is there a clear breakout structure for a strong edge or confluence? I trade a breakout. I have a strategy. I have a number of strategies based on each account. I know what kind of strategy to apply on them. So am I going to trade breakout structure? And if so, what is the edge? What is the confluence? Do you understand? So am I going to do a breakout, wait for this particular candlestick, a strong one or that, to enter a trade? Then is there a trading is the trading session highly volatile or liquid? So we trade different sessions. We have about 5 of them. Now each of them has their own pros and cons, right? In fact, let's say on the pros. So you understand. So you have to check all these things. Is there highly volatile? The lending session, is that what I want to trade? Or the New York? That is it. I wouldn't even venture Asian unless I'm doing swing, which I don't mind. So you understand. So this is the checklist that I have to go through before entering the trade. Now when you are done, you move to the second page, which also talks about what is it? Wait. I think because I've not entered the information, it's not allowing me to move to the next one. Now the next one talks about reminders. So the reminders is the things that you have to remind yourself of. Maybe some mistakes that you did, or some things that in fact, when you are trading, you have something we call journaling. You have to do this to later check if your strategy is strong, or the mistakes that you did, the correction that you need to make. So the corrections is what you remind yourself of, or the mistake, to do them right. So the first one is never enter a trade or position in town. So it means that when I'm not behind my PC and I'm in town, I never enter a trade. The only thing I can do is to maybe check the trades, right? The positions, how the market is playing. But for me to enter a new trade, I will never, because I know the downside of that. And then I will never enter. Second one is I never enter a trade or position on my mobile phone. Right? I know it's a mistake that I needed to learn from. I'll never enter, because on the phone I never see the chart better clear, and sometimes I enter trade out of emotions or whatever I see. So that is it. So what I see, and then the third one is I'll take partials. When I mean partials, so I'll take partials, that's into bracket trades with the trades that are with 50% in profit. If trades are already 50% in profit, I'll make sure I take partial before any high impact news. Right? Sometimes the news will come and then things will change, the market structure, everything will change entirely. Meanwhile, I may be in a 50 profit, about 50%. So it's better I take the trade and then look for another entry. That is it. So, and then the fourth one is monitor trades from time to time. You understand? Time to time. Even though I want to monitor trade from time to time, I don't want to do it too often, because doing that too often can have a downside, because your emotions will set in, how the market reacts based on some news or some things, and then I may be forced to move out of the trade prematurely. So I will never do that. Now, the last one will be what? Only risk less than or equal to 1%. That's very important. I told you I'm not doing this in any particular order, but in the writing I'll do that. So I'll only risk less than or equal to 1% in a single trade, not more than that. So you understand. So I think that will be all. So follow in the Telegram channel. I'll put things there. Please try and edit it a bit. Don't be a copycat. Too much of that can be a problem. So try and then tweak or change, make some changes or editing. I hope you understand. Now take this opportunity to like, subscribe, and share. We are often, in fact, we are done. We are for Forex. It's a continuing activity that we do a project, a complete one on beginners, intermediate, and advanced, and then Crypto Academy pending, and then training futures too on Binance. We are preparing on that, and then we do airdrop, giving you the gigs, the high profitable or the potential one of being listed. So in this channel. So I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.